And good morning, June the 11th, 2022. Figured I'd do a little garden update video. We got our sweet potatoes looking great. Our red potatoes, I think we'll be trying to pick some of them pretty soon. And still not sure on this. I know we got a couple okra in there. And cabbage, we have been eating cabbage. And we still got some. They're all getting big enough to eat. Got Aroma tomatoes. We got just loaded down with Romas. Just full. Haven't picked a red one yet. And the grape tomatoes are just full. We have picked a few of those. Got a few more getting close. The broccoli has been fantastic. Definitely a surprise. First time growing broccoli. Got a few jalapenos down in there. A couple banana peppers. Red bells starting to bloom. Broccoli was definitely a big surprise. Been great. And the Jetstar tomatoes. Haven't picked any red ones yet, but it is loaded with green ones. Radishes, just an abundance. The Bushmaster, got some green ones in there. Of course, you can't really see. Strawberries have been doing good. We've picked several strawberries. And the blackberries and raspberries. Okra came up. Got some okra starting to grow. Sweet 100s. I'm gonna say that's 7 foot tall. Those four, and they are just loaded down. Been picking a few. And the squash, we've been getting some squash. This one's probably about ready to get picked today. A few more in there. Got a few zucchini. One's probably gonna get picked today as well. Sunflowers, they're between 4 and 5 foot tall. We got a few cucumbers. They're gonna be picked pretty soon. Starting to grow. For some reason this side's doing better, but we got a few cucumbers in there. More grape tomatoes, just unbelievable. And the green bells, they're starting to look better. Kale, we've been eating kale, giving kale away. Brussels sprout, it's starting to grow. Been picking bugs, been trying not to, definitely have not used any kind of pesticides. Been trying to pick the bugs as we see them. This kale and turnip greens, the beets. Beets are getting some size to them. Carrots. The other rows of carrots I planted only had a few come up. The kohlrabi, I really need to thin it out. And the onions, snap peas are finally starting to grow a little bit. And the pole beans, they are climbing. And the asparagus, spinach is bolting, it's just been hot. I've got some leaf lettuces. And the leaf lettuces here we've been eating. They've been doing great. What's up, Tucker? You want to be on video? And Tucker done knocked the camera out of my hand. He wanted some loving. Miss Nikki. Alright. The leaf lettuces that we've been eating. That kale's starting to grow. Got a few parsnips that popped up, a few of the gold beets getting a little size. And we've been eating some turnip greens and mustard greens from here. And these red potatoes are doing good. And there's a couple sweet potatoes over here. And these radishes, we've been eating a few. That's it. We're gonna leave on Miss Pretty Nikki. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Kisses.